When you get into an accident, you just want to get back on the road of life. The Mapfre Insurance Car Easy program makes the claim and repair process as simple as possible. When you choose Car Easy, you will receive a guaranteed, expedited, hassle-free repair at a conveniently located, state-of-the-art partner collision center. Benefits of the program include priority scheduling of your repair. The repair center will contact you within 24 hours. When you drop off your vehicle, you can expect fast, friendly service. The Car Easy shop can provide convenient rental assistance. Once your car is dropped off, trained technicians thoroughly assess damage to your car. An appraisal is completed at the shop. A Mapfre representative carefully manages your repair and is on site at the shop to make sure your car is repaired right. Mapfre Insurance carefully selects each shop in the Car Easy program. We ensure that certified parts are used for repairs. From state-of-the-art facilities to specially trained experts, the shops that we partner with are committed to quality and excellence in collision repair. After the repair is complete, your car will be thoroughly cleaned and detailed before it is returned. You will receive automated text or email updates on the status of the repair throughout the entire process. Your car is carefully inspected using a multi-point checklist, and the work is guaranteed for as long as you own the vehicle. You won't have to worry about paying the shop. Mapfre Insurance pays the shop directly. Just grab your keys and go. That's why Car Easy is your easy repair solution.